You don't need a huge budget to stand out. You need a brand that sticks in your audience's mind like their favorite song. Ciao, y'all. I'm Chiara, content marketer and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative entrepreneurs master AI-powered content marketing so they can grow their audience, sell their work, and stay in their creative flow. If you've been trying to get noticed online, but your content feels like it's blending in with everyone else's, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about how to build a memorable brand that captures attention and keeps people coming back, even in a crowded market. Here's the truth. Algorithms might decide who sees your content, but your brand decides what happens next. If people recognize you, remember you, and trust you, you'll stand out no matter what platform you're on. That's why branding matters more than chasing trends or trying to beat the algorithm. Your creative brand is your identity. It's what makes your audience stop scrolling and think, I know who that is. So let's break down the 3 pillars of a memorable brand for creative entrepreneurs. Pillar number 1, story. Your story is your emotional connection point. It's what humanizes your brand and lets people see the why behind your art or business. Ask yourself, what inspired me to create what I do? What change or transformation do I want my work to make? Who do I want to make an impact on? Pillar number 2, style. This is your visual and verbal signature, your tone, color palette, aesthetic, and your writing style and rhythm. It should feel like you, your identity and unique perspective on things, not like a copy of someone else's feed. Pillar number 3, consistency. Probably the most underrated pillar, honestly. Showing up consistently and staying present in front of your audience, not just visually, but emotionally and conceptually, builds trust. When your people know what to expect from you, they remember you. Think of your brand like a curated art gallery. Every post, product, and piece of content is like an artwork you choose to display. You don't need to hang everything you've ever created. You carefully select what fits the story and emotion you want visitors to feel when they walk in. Your digital presence should feel just like that, intentional, cohesive, and instantly recognizable. Now, let's make this practical. You can actually use ChatGPT, my content buddy, or any other AI tool of your choice to help you define your brand strategy and make it more cohesive. Here's how. Ask ChatGPT to act as an experienced brand strategist for a better, more precise output, and prompt it like this. Help me define my brand positioning, content differentiation factor, aka what makes me different, and value proposition or brand statement as a describe the type of creative entrepreneur you are. Here's what you need to know about me. Describe in detail who you are, what you do, who you help, and why. If applicable, also link back to your About webpage or social media feed for more context. From this prompt, you will get insights you can then refine and make your own. Think of it like brainstorming with an intelligent assistant who helps you see your uniqueness from a fresh perspective. This is especially powerful if you struggle to put your creative essence into words, which from experience I know can be challenging at times. So, if you're ready to build a brand that actually sticks, not because of trends, but because it feels true to you and resonates with your people, hit subscribe and grab your free guide, 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. It's packed with effective content ways to simplify your marketing and start showing up online with clarity and confidence. You'll find the link right below. All right, that's it for today. I hope today's tips inspired you to keep growing your creative brand, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!